Today we have the 2019 Volkswagen Amarok. This vehicle has done just under 60,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the back of the vehicle, we can see that this is a crew cab. We have 5 seats in total, all of which are full leather. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights. On our screen, using the buttons to the left, we can get quick access to radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. To the right, we have eject, navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side, lane assist and hill descent control.